Welcome back. In this video, we're going to explain how you can simplify your overall understanding of your Salesforce.com security posture implementation. Salesforce, as a platform, has focused a lot on allowing administrators to create and implement extremely robust and flexible security policies in their unique instance of the system. This flexibility can lead to some tricky situations for admins when it comes time to review and assess how things have been implemented. For the purposes of this key concepts video, we're going to look at authorization for Salesforce, specifically related to object and field level access, along with system permissions, which can grant additional special permissions to users. The principle of least privilege is generally well supported and possible to implement, leveraging the layers of configuration provided within the platform. It's important to be aware and keep in mind that all users must have a profile and that each of them can be assigned additional permissions via permission sets, either static or session-based, permission set groups, and finally that certain system permissions can greatly increase a user's access to information within the system with a simple checkbox. Now, classifying all the data elements stored inside of the org is a key component to knowing where you will want to focus your initial efforts when it comes to controlling access. Check out the data classification video from this key concepts series for more information if you need help with how to get it done. Now that we know how we feel about the various data elements inside of the Salesforce instance, we can apply that to decisions around who sees what. First, we'll take a look at one of our key objects and determine which users have access to the sensitive information contained within it. Let's quickly verify that our read-only users have appropriate access to this information. Now that our security model has been flattened to a single view, including users' profiles, permission sets, roles, and beyond, it becomes much more clear why certain access exists for users of the system. Next up, let's take a look at some key system permissions in our org and make sure that only the right folks have elevated permissions. Let's review our users with access to set up and configure the system. Along with our super users who have access to view or modify all of the data in the system. Now finally, our auditors have asked for a couple of specific users to be reviewed and for us to provide evidence of those users' access. Let's take care of that real quick so we can get them the evidence that they need and we can get back to focusing on other things. As with most things in the security world, don't forget to come back and review your access on a regular basis. Things will evolve in your Salesforce instance. Thanks for hanging out today. Have fun exploring the rest of our key concepts series, and feel free to reach out if we can help you with anything at all.